To start, add your oyster sauce, egg, and mix it really well. Oops, forgot the pepper. Next, smash a cup of garlic and chop it up a little bit. Get 5 cups of water boiling and add your salt. Add garlic, rice, coriander root, sugar, and Knorr. Boil for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. Add the pork to the soup, just like you're seeing me doing here. After you finish adding your pork, keep boiling the soup for 10 more minutes and add your chopped coriander and ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.